If you want to speak Russian broken English, you should follow these rules. 1. Sometimes skip or confuse articles a, an, the, and even auxiliary verbs am, is, are, or at least use only is. I, student. We, is, students. Number 2. Use ill, afraid, worth, late, proud as verbs, and agree, cost as adjectives. I am Eileen. She lated. Do you afraid dogs? I am agree. 3. Use very in front of verbs, especially like, love, hate, want, need. I very like ice cream. I very want to come to party. 4. Sometimes say his instead of him, magazine instead of shop. Feel free to use borrow instead of lend and vice versa. 5. Accept yes I don't for no I don't and no I do for yes I do as the answers to negative questions. 6. Feel free to start your sentence with a place or time or anything at all. Practice saying object, verb, subject and subject, object, verb sentence patterns. You can even skip verbs, especially got, in negative statements with have. We to bar. In Moscow live I. Waze dropped your cat. I haven't money. 7. Don't use too many adjectives. Avoid saying hungry and thirsty. Say I wanna drink or eat instead. 8. Use it is instead of this, they are, or just it. If it is followed by adjective, feel free to turn it into an adverb. It's simply, it's correctly, it's obviously. 9. If that is a conjunction, substitute it with what? Right. He told us what his name was Tom. But don't change what for that in a sentence like he told me what his name was. 10. You may put to after modal verbs. Use must instead of have to, should, ought to be to, and even owe. You may say you haven't to do it instead of you don't have to do it. 11. Use will in reason clauses of first conditional sentences. 12. Don't use any prepositions after verbs listen, wait. Use this preposition with those verbs. Regret about, meet with, always but not with nice to meet you. And remember, if you really want to sound Russian, make just these mistakes. Other kinds of mistakes may not sound so Russian.